Hi everyone, this is Ankita. I had recently qualified UGC NET-JRF December 2023 and GATE Environmental Science and Engineering 2023. I would like to thank the whole A.S.S Science Foundation team for making my dream come true. Special thanks to Dr. Gaurav Sharma sir for guiding me at each and every step. I would also like to thank Sumit sir, Ali sir, Manisha ma'am, Tanya ma'am for making the concept so simple to understand. If you are planning of clearing the JRF exam at the very first go, then I would say A.S.S Science Foundation is the best platform for it. I myself had qualified NET-LS in the very first attempt while studying in my M.SC. So, the kit provided by the A.S.S Science Foundation comes with the four colored booklets that covers the whole syllabus, and the booklets are so simple, so concise, and to the point that you really don't need to go to any other place while studying for the exam. The kit also comes with a previous year question booklet which covers the question papers from the year 2012 to 2023. By just practicing the PYQs, you are almost practicing more than 2500 questions before going to the exam. I would really say more than 30 to 40 questions come directly from the previous year questions. So, practicing PYQs is very much necessary. The PYQs also come with a detailed solution which covers all the aspect of the question. With the ever-changing pattern of the environmental science paper, it is very much necessary nowadays to understand the concept behind the question, which is very well made simple by the whole A.S.S Science Foundation. So I would like to once again thanks the whole A.S.S Science Foundation team. Thank you.